Hello, in this video, I will show you how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides. First, go on your browser, then log into your Gemini account. Then when you get to here, make sure you go on the plus sign, and then go where it says more tools, and then you have to click on canvas. Then around here, you have to be specific with your prompt and tell it exactly how your PowerPoint you want to be presented. So I'll just paste one that is already pre-made, and you can follow the template if you want. Generate a 10-slide presentation and all the details of the presentation. Then you upload it and wait for it to generate the PowerPoint slide. And here it is. How artists design anime characters as you follow along. And you can make changes or animation design that you want specifically for your presentation. After that, you just click on export, and then you can download it as a PDF, and you're done.